Have you ever wondered why we dream? What do our dreams mean? These questions have fascinated humans since the dawn of time, and one man, Sigmund Freud, dared to dive into the depths of the human mind to seek answers. In his seminal work, Dream Psychology, Freud introduces us to the intriguing world of the unconscious. For Freud, dreams are not just random sequences of images and sounds. They are the royal road to the unconscious, a pathway that can lead us to understand our deepest desires, fears, and conflicts. Freud argued that dreams are a form of wish fulfillment. They represent our unconscious desires that we may not even be aware of when we are awake. These desires are often related to our most primal needs and instincts, including those that society may deem unacceptable. In Freud's view, dreams serve as a way for our unconscious mind to communicate with our conscious mind. They provide a safe space for us to explore and express our deepest desires and fears.